RUBI Slab Trans Mini. RUBI offers a range of conveyors that adapt to the needs of professional installers, with load capacities and costs to suit. The Slab Trans heavy-duty end conveyor is designed for large-format porcelain sheets and tiles up to 360 cm long and 160 cm wide. It can be used with the Slim Cutter Plus, Slab Cutter G3, and TC125 cutting systems, and has a maximum load capacity of 170 kilograms. This conveyor is designed for ceramic sheets with a thickness of 6 mm or more, and its aluminum profiles are durable and sturdy. The range of slab system conveyors includes the Slab Trans Mini, Slim Easy Trans Plus, and Slim Easy Trans, and these models come with accessories like rails, suction cups, and table supports. The Slab Trans heavy-duty end comes with a transport bag on wheels for easy handling, storage, and protection. With these conveyors, professional installers can work with heavy, challenging materials with ease and efficiency. Blastrac 15HH. The Blastrac 15HH is a versatile hand tool that's perfect for both shot blasting and steel blasting. Not only is the 15HH cost-efficient, but it also packs the power you expect from any Blastrac tool. This compact and powerful handheld tool can be used on both steel and concrete surfaces, making it a must-have for every contractor. With its versatility and applications, the 15HH machine can be used with a range of Blastrac steel shot and steel grit. Whether you need to remove paint, rust, or corrosion from a surface, the Blastrac 15HH can handle the job with ease. Its compact size makes it easy to maneuver in tight spaces, and its powerful performance ensures a clean and even finish every time. The Lavaxon wire brush pack includes brass, nylon, and metal brushes suitable for different surface types. Each brush serves a different purpose, from rust removal to delicate household appliances. The handles of each wire brush are slightly angled for an optimum grip, and they are made with high-quality plastic that will last a long time. At 7 inches long, they are easy to store in your toolbox or handbag, making them convenient to carry wherever you go. The brass brush is perfect for cleaning metal surfaces without scratching them. Get the Lavaxon wire brush pack today and make your cleaning routine a breeze. The R76-piece Master Ratcheting Tap and Die Set is a comprehensive solution for repairing external and internal threads. This set includes 34 taps, 34 dies, and useful accessories. Constructed of high-quality bearing steel with a titanium coating, it provides both tap and die coverage in 18 SI sizes and 16 metric sizes. The set's quick-release tap and die chucks offer versatility for large threadwork projects. The 72-tooth reversible ratcheting T-handle wrench makes turning threads smooth and requires less effort. The set comes in a durable case with size markings and tap holders for easy storage and transport. Get the R76-piece Master Ratcheting Tap and Die Set today and simplify your thread repair work. Trendwind Pocket Hole Jig. The Trendwind Pocket Hole Jig is a versatile tool for making repairs to existing work, constructing smaller projects, and heavy-duty builds. It can drill 2 holes for increased strength or single holes for narrower components. The full-length hardened drill guides provide precision pockets and a long lifespan. The wide material dimension range covers stock from 12.7 mm to 38 mm. It can be easily relocated across any material width for infinite pocket hole positioning, making it suitable for a variety of projects. This multifunctional tool is a must-have for any woodworking enthusiast looking for precision and durability. The AMTOVL Hex Keys Set is a versatile tool set for DIY repairs of electronics, bikes, electrical work, machinery, automobiles, and motorcycles. The comfortable torque handle allows you to add force when loading or unloading fasteners, making it easier to tighten or loosen them quickly. The set's design also allows for turning hard-to-reach fastness up to 25 degrees. The black oxide finish and sand-blasted surface protect against corrosion and ensure smooth operation. The wrenches set has a clear visible size mark for fast size selection. The set comes with a storage bag to keep all the pieces together, making it easy to find the right tool when you need it. Jackman Electrofusion Scraper. The Jackman Electrofusion Scraper is a high-quality tool designed for scraping and cleaning pay pipe prior to electrofusion. It features a durable, ergonomic handle for comfortable use and precise control. The scraper's reversible blade is made of high-quality steel for long-lasting performance. The scraper is available in a variety of sizes to accommodate different pipe sizes, making it a versatile tool for any electrofusion project. With its reliable performance and ease of use, the Jackman Electrofusion Scraper is an essential tool for any professional or DIY enthusiast working with pay pipe. The THINKWORK Gloss Cutter Toolkit includes a new ergonomically designed pistol gloss cutter that's suitable for the user's hand. The connection between the blade and the body realizes semi-automatic rotation, ensuring a straight cutting process without bending. The Phillips screw is easy to replace and replaces the hexagonal screw. The bottom cover can store spare blades. The high-hardness alloy steel blades can effectively cut various types of tiles up to 0.47 inches thick, as well as gloss, stained glass, and mirrors. Its uniform force and smoother cross-section reduce the risk of breaking by hand. The extended swivel handle makes it easier for the user to apply force. The Eastwood benchtop metal bender is a compact yet strong steel bender, capable of precise bends up to 3/8 inches thick mild steel. Its hand crank operation and affordable price make it an ideal metal forming tool for any workbench. Save time and space when bending suspension brackets or seat mounts for your project. This medium-duty metal bender can also be used for patch panels or ornamental artwork. Simply mount the bender on a work surface with 4 bolts and start bending your desired material. With a powerful 2.5 tons of pressing force, the Eastwood 4 metal bender is a high-quality tool that produces industrial-style results. Malco modular metal benders are the light, versatile, and modular bending tools you've been searching for. These professional-grade metal benders can form 100 bends on straight or curved panels of any length on the job site. They're perfect for bends on flashing, roofing details, standing seam, and exposed fastener metal roofing. Malco offers 5 single-station models with adjustable rollers for different thicknesses and materials. The exclusive angled roller avoids scratching material on 90 bends and can be replaced with an optional 2 mm large radius accessory for softer bends in materials like copper, zinc, and aluminum. These metal benders are built tough with premium CNC aluminum and stainless steel components for durability and stability, resulting in precise and high-quality bends. Thank you for watching this video on Top Tech Tools. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.